Alright, what's up? Going to be flashing the hyperdrive release 13 and currently running Jellybam. It's an AOSP ROM. So basically I've already backed it up and everything, which is cool. But now I'm going to flash and show you the AROMA installer. Okay. So going to reboot it into recovery and rip off the back because I can. Okay. Plug in my phone. And here we go. Just turn. Excuse me. It's got to turn. Okay. So, first things first, gotta wipe everything. So wipe, advanced wipe. Wipe everything. And why not a quick factory reset just because? And one more wipe just for good measure. And good. So, now that all that's good, we are going to install. So, here we have the hyperdrive release 13, it's universal. And here we go. A little bit. It should bring us into the AROMA. There we go. Hyperdrive. Okay. Yes. Alright, so, it'll do the wipe for us, which is cool. Or, no, it's telling us you have to. Alright, so here's the changelog. The changelog is just huge. I'm not even going to get into it. I'll send a link in the description so you can see. Alright. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, they have now support for many more carriers. So if you guys were curious, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, Cricket, US Cellular, and Metro PCS. And they have now 5, I guess, setup things. Naked, HTC Sense, AOSP, Sony Xperia, and Developer Pick. I'm going to be doing custom. I will be doing, let's see, Hyperdrive TouchWiz, 4x4, 5x6, 4x5, or 5x5. No, let's go 4x5. Actually, 5x6, I lied. Alright, we want all share played. You gotta select your Samsung apps. I'm gonna do, I like clocks, so I'm gonna do all the clocks. Pop-up browser. Voice recorder. Some S4 stuff in here. And that should do it. Wait, that's memo. Yeah, that's fine. And here's some Galaxy S4 apps. Won't need that actually. And see, now we have email application, I'm going to use the AOSP just because I'm an AOSP fan. CyanogenMod file manager. I'm just going to put them all. And here we have sense features, so we have Sense 5 stuff. I don't need fonts. The clock's cool, so I'll have multiple launchers. And here's all the AOSP stuff, so I'm just going to install all of that. Okay, and Google Apps, we'll just install all of them. Xperia stuff. Put the launcher on there, just because I like having all the launchers. Put Apollo on there. Swipe keyboard. Let's see. Toggle options. I guess I'll put... I'm gonna say... I'll just leave it 5. Okay, we can do some modifications. Ad blocking, 50% louder. Black settings, that's nice. No, I like that. Okay, that's good. Awesome beats. Or acid. Yeah, let's do awesome beats. And let's see, Polaris. It's just additional apps. Greenify, Flash Player, VPN, Terminal. That should do it. And don't need any of those. And there we go. Ooh. I can make my own theme right here, or I could choose one of these. Well, let's see what we got. We could do Jelly Bean Domination, Sony Xperia Z, HTC Sense, and S4 theme. Or if we go to make our own, we gotta pick all the colors of everything. That's pretty cool. It's interesting. I think I'm going to actually go predefined just because I don't know what these look like, and I'm going to go AOSP and stock AT tier kernel and let it install. So, there you have it. Sorry about that awful spin. Now it's just installing. So hopefully it doesn't take too long. In the meantime, plug my phone in because I only have like 20%. I have the normal battery just because I have to switch out the SD card. I like how it says you have made a wise choice. Anyway, I think I'm going to stop it here, and I will do an initial review after it's finished installing, just so you don't have to sit here waiting. Anyway, I will see you in the next video, guys.